M4983. Please introduce yourself.
Good day. I'm Mylene de los Reyes Ladores. I'm 40 years old. I'm single mother. I have 2 children, 14 years old and 18 years old.
Your religion
I'm Catholic.
and your
I'm high school graduate.
Okay. I saw that you have experience being a helper in Saudi Arabia as a helper. What are your main duties?
Taking care of the children, taking care of the baby, taking of elderly, cooking, cleaning the house, washing and ironing of the clothes, marketing, gardening, car washing.
Okay. I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, which is 0 months old until 3 years old, right?
Yes.
How do you prepare a milk for this newborn baby?
First, sir, I wash the hands very well. I wash the bottle and sterilize. Mm,
After you sterilize the bottle?
After sterilize, I put the powder milk and water and shake and feeding the baby.
Okay, and you have also experience in Lebanon, right?
Yes, sir.
What are your main duty being a helper in Lebanon?
Take care of elderly.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I will check the body temperature, changing diaper, putting the putting putting the baby to sleep.
Okay, so you have to put the baby to sleep. You can sing lullaby or also hello the baby, right? Okay.
Yes.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong? What is the reason why you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want work in Hong Kong because safe place and Hong Kong employer give high salary and I want to earn because I support my family.
Okay. How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as they need and want me.
As long as the employer wants you to stay with them, to work with them, it is okay with you.
Yes, sir.
And if your contract was extended, it is okay to you to
Yes.
extend your
Yes,
contract.
it's okay, sir.
Okay. Do you know or do you have any idea how to cook Chinese food?
I can cook Chinese food, simple cook like
What?
steamed fish,
Okay.
pork, chicken, vegetable soup, and noodles.
Okay, you can cook Chinese food. When did you learn how to cook Chinese food?
I watching the YouTube and I read the books.
Okay. If the employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they prepared for you.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If one of the member of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese.
Yes, sir. I want to learn.
Okay, want to learn. Okay, it is okay to you to taking care of disabled elderly.
Yes, sir.
Last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please I choose a domestic helper. I will promise I will do my
You will promise that you will do your duties and responsibility
yes
as a helper.
yes
Can
and
you?
I follow the rules and regulation. I will do my best and thank you and God bless.
Okay, thank you very much. And for 983, Miss Mylene.
Welcome, thank you, sir.